Guys, welcome back to Mr. U. Today I'm unboxing and setting up the brand new PRISM M55 Mini LED Google TV. A 4K powerhouse packed with Mini LED technology, quantum dot colors and Dolby Vision Atmos, an insane 144 refresh rate. As you can see behind me, we've got it just here. We're actually be running through it all today. If you're looking for the ultimate home theater or gaming setup, this might just be the best value TV on the market. But instead of just talking about the specs, let's actually go through it, the full experience, from unboxing to mounting on my wall to testing out the visuals, gaming, and seeing how it really performs. And today I'm taking you through a first-hand experience with the PRISM Plus 55-inch Mini LED QLED TV. The 4K Google TV, I have to say, is one of the best value premium TVs I've tested. I'll be unboxing it, setting it up, and putting it through its paces with movies, gaming, and more, so you can see exactly what you guys think and whether you want to purchase it. Now guys, let's start with the unboxing. Guys, here I have to do an unboxing of the PRISM Plus M55 TV. So you can see here is the boxing just here. Comes very, very well packaged. A bit more about some of the apps it comes with and a bit more about some of the features of the TV. So let's go and pop in now and start the unboxing. As you can see, here's the back of the TV, and we set up the speaker stands on the back there. Didn't take long at all to set this up, and it's very, very light TV as well, very thin profile. So I'm going to be putting that up on the wall so you can see how it sits on there. And again, it fit very well. Now I've also got the USB cables, HDMI ports, Ethernet ports, and also the aerial as well, as you can see in the back there. There you've got the speakers at the bottom there. So they've got very good sound coming from those speakers. There's a speaker on either side as well. So we'll be testing that out in a full review. And there's a power plug there as well. A very good TV. Now right out of the box, you can tell this is a premium product. Sleek, well packaged, and protected for safe shipping. It's lightweight, but feels sturdy, and setting him up is as simple as unboxing, attaching a stand or mounting it, and plugging it in. In my case, guys, I've actually put it on the wall here in my room. As you can see, it sits there just perfectly, and it took minutes to set up. It was so quick. Now guys, let's power it on. And the first thing I noticed is how fast this TV is to set up. Setup took just a couple of minutes, and navigating to Google's TV workspace was so easy. Whether you're jumping between apps, changing settings, searching for the content, responds instantly. No lag, no stuttering, just seamless performance. And as you can see, I set up all just there, and look how quick it is to respond with the remote. It takes no time at all. And there's a remote just then as well. Very good to use. Now, TV comes with Google built in, access to over 700,000 movies and TV shows, as you can see just here. It also has 5,000 apps like Netflix, Disney, Prime, YouTube, Spotify, Twitch, and more. And you can also use Google Assistant, so you can control TV hands-free. You can say things such as, "Hey Google," to change channels, search for movies, or even check the weather. See, they come up straight away. Now guys, let's talk about display, because this is where the PRISM Plus M55 Mini LED QLED panel really shines. Mini LED technology means you get a powerful backlight system that divides the screen into distinct zones, allowing for deeper blacks and bright highlights. This is especially important in dark movies where lesser TVs might look washed out. So I'm going to play some 4K footage now, guys, so you can see exactly how it looks. And you're going to see the quantum dot technology give the TV over 1 billion colors, meaning everything looks incredible. And as you can see from the 4K footage there, it looks absolutely stunning. It's 93% DCI P3, which is near professional cinema grade color. I tested watching some 4K documentaries, and the level of detail is stunning. You can see every tiny texture, even vibrant color, and the HDR10 Plus and Dolby Vision really push dynamic contrast to another level. As you guys can see, the level of clarity is absolutely incredible too, as you can see just there. Now you can also change the settings as well. So having a look at it, you can do things such as go to settings and you can change the different picture quality. So go to picture, you can change to Dolby Vision. You can go bright if you want to, make it a bit brighter. You can change the brightness of the back screen too to make it brighter as well. So You can change all the different settings on there, contrast, stuff like that. It's really good. Brightness, as you can see with the TV just there as well, it reaches 550 nits, which means it's bright enough to look great even in a well-lit room. Some budget TVs struggle with glare, but here the anti-reflective panel and strong brightness makes a huge difference. Now guys, here we are looking at stunning 4K footage. As you can see, look at the color of the grass, the vibrancy of the colors. You can see it all through there. It looks absolutely stunning. But not only that, it's also the actual sound on this TV as well. So we've got to turn this up. It's got Dolby Atmos surround sound on it, which sounds absolutely fantastic. Look at that. And guys, remember, if you love this video, make sure you like, subscribe, and click the notification button to be aware of new giveaways coming out every month and all our latest content. We have $1,000 of prizes given away, so make sure you enter. So for gamers out there, this TV is an absolute beast. It comes with a native 144 refresh rate and HDMI 2.1, which means you get ultra smooth gameplay with next-gen consoles like the PlayStation 5 and Xbox Series X. It also supports VRR, which is variable refresh rate, and auto low latency mode, which means no screen tearing, no lag, just buttery, smooth, high-speed gaming. So guys, I tested some gaming on my Xbox S, and the motion clarity is another level. Even in fast action sequences, every frame is crisp thanks to the MEMC motion smoothing, which intelligently adds frames for fluid movement. If you're a competitive gamer like me, this will give you an edge in reaction time, while casual gamers will love the ultra-responsive experience. Now, what about sound quality? Well, it has Dolby Atmos and DTS True Surround Sound. Now, because good visuals need good sound, this TV delivers. It comes with Dolby Atmos and DTS True Sound, creating a true sound experience without needing external speakers. Watching movies feels immersive with rich bass and clear dialogues and spatial surround sounds. So guys, I'm going to go and give you an example now of some of the music. Listen to it and let me know what you think. As you can see there, watching movies feels immersive with rich bass, clear dialogues, and spatial sound effects. I tested a few action movies, Star Wars there for example, Indiana Jones. You can hear bullets whizzing past, the deep rumble of explosions, and crisp dialogue, even in chaotic scenes. Even for music and casual TV, watching the sound is punchy, clear, and well balanced. If you don't want a separate sound system, this built-in speaker, guys, its setup is more than enough. The other great thing with this TV is backed with smart features. Built-in Chromecast lets you instantly cast content from your phone, and it's seamless. Zero resolution loss and no lag. You also have Wi-Fi 5.1, Bluetooth 5.1, and multiple HDMI and USB ports, and even Ethernet connect for a stable wired connection. And guys, if you're worried about energy consumption, this TV is surprisingly efficient with 5.29 star energy rating. Meaning you get all this power without skyrocketing electricity bills. So guys, what's the final verdict? After testing it for movies, gaming, and everyday use, I can confidently say it's one of the best value in Mini LED TVs in the market. What are you getting? A premium Mini LED QLED display with 4K resolution and Dolby Vision. Super smooth 144Hz refresh rate for gaming and motion clarity. Incredible Dolby Atmos sound for cinema-like audio. Google TV and built-in Chromecast for endless content options. Seamless hand-free control with Google Assistant, and also a great remote control. This remote control has all the shortcuts you need in the front and is very, very quick to do it. Top-tier gaming features with HDMI 2.1, VRR, and ALLM. Energy efficiency with a 5.29 star rating. For a TV at this price point, guys, it's hard to find anything better. Now, if you're interested in grabbing one, check out the link in the description. It's currently on sale, so now's the best time to pick one up. If you found the review helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more tech reviews, and let me know in the comments. What's your go-to TV brand? Have you considered a PRISM Plus? And also check the links below to go into a giveaway. We're giving away $1,000 worth of prizes. Anyway, let's watch a bit more of this TV, and thanks for joining us here at Mr. Yoo-Hoo.